In the last video, we snorkeled in the Coral Garden, one of the best in French Polynesia. In this video, we sailed to Bora Bora, the crown jewel of French Polynesia, in a not-so-smooth sea. The whole journey was 42 miles. It took about 6 hours. Wind was southeasterly around 20 knots. It was broad reach all the way. The dominant waves were northeasterly, averaging 5 to 6 feet, so it's beam-on waves from the starboard side. Once we were inside Bora Bora lagoon, we sailed all the way from the only entrance on the west to the Bora Bora east, passing the shallow area and the 5-star resorts. I put some tension on the windlass so the lock could be easily opened.
Forward.
Katie moved the boat forward slowly.
Neutral.
I raised the chain and untouched the bridle, then secured the bridle. After a good night's sleep, it's time to raise the anchor. With a wide sandy bottom, the anchor held up pretty well. I continue to raise the anchor.
Neutral.
It's a two-person job since the helmsperson is not able to see the chain from the helm station on the Sunsail catamaran. Slow it down once the anchor was out of the water. Then I secured the anchor by closing the lock to take the tension from the windlass. In the meantime, Katie was ready to steer the boat into the wind and raise the main. I made sure all the reef lines run free, then eased the main to let the boom rise a little. Sometimes I raised the topping lift too. Katie put the boat on autopilot into the wind. As usual, I went on deck and jumped the main while Katie was behind the wheel and took the slack out of the halyard. Now we are sailing. Wave to the fellow chatterer. I left the jib forward until we got out of the lagoon and reached open water. Once we reached the opening of Borrtex Bay on the port side, I made a wide turn and aligned ourselves with the recommended navigation line right in the middle of Pass Pai Pai. Getting out of Pass Pai Pai with breaking waves on both sides was an amazing experience. Sailing in French Polynesia was not just about reaching destinations. Sailing itself was so much fun. After we got into the open water, I unfurled the jib. Right now, it's winter time in French Polynesia. Normally, it's a stable southeasterly wind unless there is a storm. Naturally, it's pretty easy to sail from Taha'a to Bora Bora with broad reach all the way. Set our heading and never touched it again until we reached the corner of Bora Bora. The sea was smooth in the beginning, but it didn't last very long. In 3 days' time, we'll have to beat all the way back from Bora Bora like this. I don't plan to motor sailing, so it probably will double the time in passage. Is that sound of catching whale? I think so. The ride was rock and roll but very enjoyable. With the right amount of wind around 20 knots, we traveled the most in the range of 9 knots. So far we have sailed 5 different brands of catamarans. I'm very happy with Sunsail catamaran overall. The design of saloon, cockpit, and helm station. The performance was excellent and it's very easy to be sailed by one person. Exactly as we were told during the briefing, the cloud over Bora Bora, reflected by the shallow water beneath it, shows shades of green in bright sunny day. After 3 hours, we finally reached the Bora Bora. After making a wide turn around the lighthouse, we turned into the wind and logged 9.7 knots close reaching. Entering the lagoon of Bora Bora, the crown jewel of French Polynesia. Right in front of the lagoon entrance, under Mount Altamanu, is Bora Bora Yacht Club, where we plan to have dinner the day after tomorrow. After entering the lagoon, we sailed all the way to the east. The south is very shallow, so this is the only route sailboat could reach Bora Bora east. This is also one of the best parts of Bora Bora. There is an S-turn in the Bora Bora north surrounded by hidden reefs and shallow water. Entering the shallow water now. It's a nice view passing all 5-star resorts. We had to do something about Katie's scarf. After the last resort, we turned starboard into deeper water. The mooring field is right in front of us. I went on deck to set up mooring lines and ready the boat hook. Anchoring is prohibited inside Bora Bora lagoon. However, there are plenty of mooring balls to pick up in various locations. After we tied up the boat, Bora Bora mooring services came to collect the mooring fees. We paid for 3 days. Now it's time to relax and enjoy this beautiful place. I can't wait for tomorrow. In the next video, we had so much fun exploring Bora Bora East. Thanks for watching, see you in the next video.